If your Dell laptop touchpad is malfunctioning, try these troubleshooting steps to resolve the issue. A clean and dry touchpad is essential for proper functioning. Wipe down the touchpad surface with a dry towel and ensure there is no dust or debris. Next, check that the touchpad is enabled. Click on the Windows Start button and type Touchpad Settings into the search bar. Open the result. Make sure the touchpad is toggled on. You can use the Tab, Shift, and Enter keys to navigate through these sections and make selections. If the touchpad still isn't working, restart your system and check if that fixes the issue. If the touchpad still isn't working after the restart, let's use Support Assist to optimize your system. If you don't have the app installed on your computer, click the link shown to watch our download and installation tutorial. Make sure to keep your laptop connected to the charger during this process. Click on the Windows Start button to search for and open Support Assist. In the Home tab, click on Update Software and press Start to prompt Support Assist to scan for and download any required updates. When the scan is finished, click on View Updates and then Install. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the pending updates. Restart the computer when prompted. Next, make sure Windows 11 is up to date. Click on the Windows Start button and open Settings. Select Windows Update and click on the Check for Updates button. Windows will alert you if an update is available. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the update. To keep your system up to date, toggle on the option to get the latest updates as soon as they're available. If updating Windows did not resolve the issue, let's run a hardware diagnostic on your touchpad. Open Support Assist and go to the Support tab. Click on Get Started under Test My Hardware. Expand the section, I want to troubleshoot my PC, and then click on I want to check a specific piece of hardware. Scroll down, and under Other Devices, select Touchpad to prompt a hardware scan. If you are using an external mouse, disconnect it. Follow the instructions to complete the touchpad test. If any of the actions fail, there could be a hardware problem and you should contact Dell Support. If you have any questions, contact us via social media so we can assist you. Subscribe to our channel and check out our other troubleshooting videos.